welcome back to my vlog. As you guys can see, the title, come with me to Nigeria. Guys, it has been so long. I haven't been in 8 years. If you know, you know. Like when I was last in Nigeria, Okada was still legal. Like it's been that long. It is 1 a.m. and I just thought, let me do an intro because I'm probably gonna forget to do it, but we are flying to Nigeria in a couple of hours. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and come on the journey with me. Hi guys, we just got to France and we're getting our connecting flight to Lagos in like 10 minutes, and guess who we also bumped into?
The last time that I checked. I've been throw up the sex in and I can push you in.
The next day.
Welcome back. As you can see from the scenes and the clips, we are in Lagos. We've actually been here for a couple of days already. We've just been settling in, getting used to that Lagos heat, as in me and my fan, best friends. Officially, this is my day one, so it's around midday now. I've actually spent most of the day doing maintenance because yeah, I wasn't gonna do it in the UK, especially when I knew I was coming to Nigeria. So I actually just got my nails done. Look how cute these nails are. They're actually chrome. I'm not sure if you can see it though, but I will insert a clip of them. I got my nails and my toes done. Today has been slow because guess what? NEPA took light for over 24 hours, almost 30 hours. NEPA took light, so we've just been running the generator 24/7 or just having to film no light. This is also the first time I've attempted to wear makeup in Lagos. I'm gonna be taking it off. I don't think it's gonna end up working out because it's just so hot. It's really hot right now. But today we're gonna be leaving and we're gonna be completing my maintenance and doing my hair. As you can see, my hair is not done. My lashes are done, nails are done, but the hair is not done. So let's go fix that. Hi guys, we just got back from the salon. Like, give us a 12. Shake it, shake your hair. So cute. We got the same style, we're twinning. It's giving Lagos. I just got back. It's giving Lagos girls. Okay. Hey guys, look what I've got here. I thought I would try my first like shawarma in Nigeria on camera. I think we got double sausage. I think it's hot, it's big. It's like the size of my face. It smells good. So this is from Bam Bam. We took keke, which is so crazy by the way. Hey guys, welcome to my Love from Lagos series and come with me for a Nigerian wedding. Here's us looking cute in our floral dresses. The wedding was in Ogun State, so it was a bit of a trek, so I had to get gala for the way. But guys, look at the decor, it was stunning. The vibes were really nice. It was actually my friend's sister's wedding. It was nice to see people that I already knew, and look how gorgeous she looked when I saw her, guys. It was so fun. The vibes were great, the music was great. And they offered us amala at this point, but I'd eaten it so much on the trip that I didn't want it anymore. Guys, what do you know about chivita? Like, that drink was so good. Good morning vlog. I have not spoken to you guys in a minute, but it is Sunday morning and we are going for a quick run doing a little bit
Run
of
or
exercise.
walk?
Run or walk?
I'm running, they walking.
Okay. No, it's because who wants to run in this heat? It is around 27 degrees, I think. So I'm just walking through the estate, and then I think we're gonna pop out and get some Cold Stone. Basically, it's like Ice Stones, which we have in the UK. It's like an ice cream parlor. So just come with us. And I'm sorry I haven't been updating because I've just been living in the moment a lot. Hi guys, welcome back. So let me give you a quick update. So this morning, as you saw, we did a little bit of exercise. We ended up balancing it out by going to get ice cream, but it was good anyways. So we tried out Cold Stones. I think I would rate it like a ice cream wise, I would rate it a good 7, 8 out of 10. But customer service wise, like a 2, 3 out of 10. I don't know why some Nigerians just seem angry all the time, but yeah, it wasn't the best. I'm just wearing this green sort of 2-piece type of thing, and I've got my hair up in a bun, and we're just going around Lagos. Guys, it's so hot. I don't know how I'm gonna manage this. That's why I literally just put concealer on. We're going around Lagos, doing errands, going places, and then we're gonna go out to eat as well. So watch me do that. Bye. Me and this man locked in.
Are you into Bebo? I actually do want to travel around Nigeria. It's just a trek.
Go to the code.
What's
One
that?
time I had a question, the teacher said, is it time for questions? Can't you wait?
This is the podcast for you.
I mean, just a sidebar to Christians. Nobody's getting saved by the fact that you're not getting some.
Act of being an adult, grown-upicity. Is
Yeah.
what we're talking about. I said what I said. The Unsolicited Opinions podcast starts now.
Hey guys, here's an update. We're at the designers real quick. Hey guys, I'm at my designers in Italy. Hey guys, sorry the likeness is a bit bad, but we're back at one of the designers doing some final fittings. So we just came back from my designer. I didn't get to film there, but you'll see on the special day what design I picked and who I went with. So we're back at another tailor's right now, and we're just doing some final fit edits, and then yeah, and that's it. Hey guys, we're about to climb Mount Olumo rock.
Ishabi Agbogbakala was a warrior in his lifetime. He was one of those warriors that fought for the Egbas to get the freedom when they were under old Oyo Empire. In honor of this great warrior, people normally refer to Egba's sons and daughters as his children. That even reflect in Egba anthem that says, Mayo Loruko Egba o, Awa Omo Lishabi. Meaning rejoice is Egba's name, we're the children of Lishabi. Also, in remembrance of this great warlord, Egba people see it as a gym feed to celebrate more of him through the Shabi Day festival that comes up every last week in February to first week in March. So you are cordially invited. Let's talk about 3 trees that dominate this garden. The first one is the flamboyant tree, that is here. The botanical name is Dilonix Nigerian. It produces some lump pods we are looking at. The lump pod has some seeds in it. It gives a kind of sound. Sheke, sheke, sheke. That's why we call it Sheke in the Yoruba land. Glory, Olumo, Mayo, Mayo, Mayo. Glory, Olumo,
finished a bunch of our activities. Went to Lekki Conservation Centre and I think it's Twin Towers or something like that. And now we're at Mood. I feel like it might have been a minute. Well, it's the next day. I think it's the next day. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a summary or a bit of a roundup of the trip so far, because it's coming to an end and I feel like I haven't really spoken much in the vlog. Like, it has been very much a live in the moment, and I would much rather live in the moment than record at the same time, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so right now, currently it's around like, I think 9:30 and we're in VI. We're at the hotel right now and we just came from breakfast. The camera doesn't do this trip justice. It's been such an amazing trip and I've loved every single experience so far, whether it's been on mainland, whether it's been in Ogun State, or whether it's been in Lekki or just anywhere else on the island. Yesterday, so if I recall, yesterday we did a bit of like sightseeing, went to Lekki Conservation Centre. I didn't get many clips because I was not about to bring my phone out and have one of those monkeys snatch my phone. Like, there was no way. Speaking of monkeys, there's so many story times that I need to tell because wow, that place is interesting, but it's also scary. It was actually a really good experience going on the canopy, that little bridge thing. Scary, but I feel fulfilled now that I actually went on it. And it was really funny because I went with my friends and my brother and stuff like that. After that, we went to, is it Twin Waters? I want to say Twin Towers, but I know that's not the name. Twin Waters, which was also super good. We went to Rufus and Bees, which is like the arcade in the like complex or whatever. Guys, I'm so competitive. I love any games like that. I just think it's so fun. It brings out like the child in me. It was so fun. So we played like a bunch of games. I will insert the clips if I have any. So yeah, but if not, check out my TikTok because I post consistently on there. And yeah, so we had a bunch of fun and then we ended up linking up with my sister because she had a photo shoot earlier on in the day, so she wasn't there. So we linked up with her at Mood, the restaurant in Lagos, in VI, and that was an experience and a half. But Yeah, it was okay. After that, it was a vibe, so we came back to our hotel, which is really nice, by the way. Yes, we've been staying here for the last few nights, and today's our last day here, so we're checking out soon. So I thought, let me give you guys a summary before I leave, because I feel like I'm not gonna get to sit down and talk with you, because everything's so in Lagos. Like, it's like next place, next place, next place, next place. It's actually like Jai from 1 a.m. till midnight. Like, there's no time to really sit, and the time that I do get to sit, I'm resting, guys. Siri, how hot is it in Lagos? It's 1 billion degrees in Lagos right now. Yeah, it's been good. I'm gonna travel back to mainland. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. So please, let's just take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and comment. Okay, thank you very much. Hey guys, I just wanted to film a really quick outro. Thank you so much for watching my Nigeria vlog. Thanks for joining us. I really hope I managed to get enough clips for you all to like. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you back in the UK.